Hi, my name is Eknur Sidhu and my UB number is 230381212 and I'm a team member of working on a hand scanning classifier project. This project aims to improve hand hygiene monitoring and using artificial intelligence and UV imaging. The system detects the unclean areas after washing the provide and feedback to ensure the proper hygiene. I am responsible for data collection and analysis, ensuring that our AI models is trained on high quality and diverse data for accurate hand hygiene assessments. In this video, I'm gonna cover about the my roles in this project and the progress we have made in the data collection, some challenges we faced, and future improvements for this. Moving towards the development of the hand hygienic classifier, which involves the collaboration between the computer vision and artificial intelligence methods to advance the hand washing complaints observation systems. My team members have dedicated themselves to different tasks during the project duration, which produced to the steady but challenging progress. Our review presents both for present achievements and obstacles found along with our instructions for the future works for this project. We gathered the images and videos of under the UV lights in different conditions. However, the dataset includes the images of pre-wash hands before using the soap, and some hand with UV gel applied shows the areas that are need cleaning for that, and some post-wash hands to check for the missed spots for the washing, and capture the data in different lighting conditions, skin tones, and hand positions to improve artificial intelligence learning. Actions of the model and initial testing, like the different machine learning approaches has been evaluated, but the CNN has shown the best result for the detecting the quality of the hand washing procedure. The performances factors between the vision transformers and SVMs were investigated through the testing experiments for this. Moreover, the testing and the models implement the data augmentations techniques to boost its robustness level, as we use this augmentations for the data which we used for this project in the hand classifications. As the data processing and cleaning, which applied uh, image processing, image enhancement techniques like no as I told before, the noise reductions for the removing blurriness, contrast enhancement, background removal for isolating the hands from the different backgrounds for that, and for the especially for the enhancement for making UV lights reflections properly clear for this, because we have faced so much of difficulties in this project also. It's not much difficult as this process, but because of some skin tones and some because of some reflections that made really difficult for this, and especially the as data augmentations to increase the data set size and the variety, the flipping and the rotation so the model can recognize the hand from different angles, brightness adjustments, simulating the different lightning conditions and scaling cropping for that, so that ensuring the hands are properly positioned in the proper enough frame. Structure includes the TensorFlow together with OpenCV for image um, analytical operations for this. Not only this, but the challenging which we faced for this is especially the variability of the data which we used for this project for the classification of the hand hygiene. As the data multiple factors including the light conditions and especially the hand placement and skin pigmentation levels. As I told before, the it was really hard for placement of the hand and the skin tones for that, as produce the unsteady outcomes for the classification for that. Especially the generalizations of the system requires the additional improvements to datasets through the refinement and increased sample quantity. Moreover, computational constraints also involved here, as the high performance computing capabilities required the deep learning models training for that. uh, Especially deep learning extends the experimental works processing as a result, as a slower program executing the speeds for that. As the discussion about the cloud-based solutions continues for the enhancing the stability over numerous sites for this, and continues to face challenges in the developing the real-time tracking system, because the I think the edge devices have restrictions with processing capability for the system deployment facilities for this. Not only this, but I think some challenges which also like the improving of the data quality also, like the image filtering of the techniques which is used for the imaging for the cleaner images, filtering techniques, and the standard UV lights conditions for the consistency. I think the automate data labeling also, especially the use of artificial intelligence powered innovations to tools instead of manual labeling for this, implement pipeline, especially the that automatically processes the new images for that. And coming to the point of the last, the contribution of the project, as a four members of our team, they all showed their all initials in this project, as all the four members worked. As being a member of this team, my contribution for this project was about the data collection, processing, and augmentations for this project, as I applied the process techniques to reduce the noise, removing the noise and the background equalizing the histogram, enhancing the input the data quality for that, and let the diverse image database with the different conditions build and the models for that. And the data set received the data augmentations enhancements through the rotation, processing, flipping, and brightness adjustments steps to prevent the overfitting. Fine tuning the models, well, the reliability of the forecast would improve when the features optimization joins the forces with the hyperparameters optimization techniques, especially the data needs additional samples, um, data from different sources to improve its anticipted operational scopes, especially the implementation and validation of the system. The team will conduct the testing within the specified evaluation locations for determining the how the effectively the system functions under real world conditions. And the project team needs to collaborate with the medical personnel to determine the system easy to use during the actual application when it comes to the real point. And I think the finalizing the documentation and reporting also, especially the project needs to merging of the techniques and specialization for the experimental results for essential finding of the create for the final report. Well, coming part to the conclusion, in the summary, my role in this project focuses on collecting, analyzing, improving the data set for the training our AI models. So far, we have successfully used the hand data set of the thousands as the images for their as base of the model training as showed used of the KKLN data, and applied the pre-processing the techniques to the enhance the data quality and begin interpreting real-world UV lit hand images for the hygiene classifications for that. However, we'll still needs I think more diverse data and better labeling techniques to make the system more accurate and reliable with these improvements. With this, the hand scanning classifier can become essential tool for hospital, schools, and workplace to monitor hygiene and especially prevent infections for the. And ongoing project development will make it possible for the initiative to create beneficial public health effect through technical innovation in hygiene standards. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.